for men only. This video is for men only. Welcome, my name is Sige Nagels. I am a life coach and transformational mentor. What is this video about? For men, I understood a specific need. On a meeting that I did a few weeks ago, I saw men opened up about their emotions, their unclarity how to deal with those emotions, the needs that they were having, their vision, their mission, about the patterns that were holding them back, the conditioning that they grew up with, about the uncertainty, the feeling that they had that it didn't matter what they were experiencing, having a lot of other questions. And they were so grateful to open up and to share about what moved them and what they feel is holding them back. This is my invitation to you. If you are one of those men who really want to understand your emotions, not in a female way, in a way how you can understand yourself, what is subconscious mind, what is conscious mind, how thoughts and feelings operate together, affect your behavior, the actions you take. What is your self-image? What are your needs? All of that has an effect on the clarity with which you lead yourself in your life, and the clarity that you can carry, the protection that you can carry for yourself, for your loved ones, in your relationships, intimate family relationships, for your friends, for your colleagues at work, for the leadership position you are in or that you want to step into, to understand things that perhaps may not be working right now. But what are your needs when it comes to health, wealth, relationship, and purpose? So this is my invitation for you. What is this about? This is about a program that is 11 weeks long. It is the first time that I do this for men only. I get to understand you're looking for community and also information that is available for you and you only. I see there's a lot of groups for women, and I have been teaching this for women, more for women than for men. Now there's a man in my coaching as well. And I see how it affects them, their families, their relationship with their partner, in their job position or in the entrepreneur position. So this is my invitation for you. If this speaks to you, then let me know. This is about 11 weeks. So these are the 7 weeks that became 11 weeks that I have been facilitating, guiding people through the 7 weeks that became 11 weeks. We work on goals 3 weeks. The question that you ask yourself, what it is that I truly want, needs clarity. That clarity is going to be crucial on your journey to steer yourself into your mission, into your vision, and the clarity in your actions, in your focus, in your commitment, in your determination, everything that you do to support yourself in order to gear yourself into momentum that creates flow for you, confidence, allows people to feel protected and safe with you. You operate from that big, massive vision and mission inside of you that is laser clear. Now, this is what I want for you, because perhaps you were not having healthy, masculine examples when you grew up. Understand, this is generationally, collectively. You are not alone. Understand this, please. So this is my help for you. 11 weeks. We'll start in 3 weeks. Today is Friday the 3rd. We still have 90 days from today till the end of the year. I see already people saying, well, it's already the end of the year. My feet are going to be high. I'm not going to do anything anymore. That's okay if that is for you. I respect that. Now, on the other hand, however, why would you wait? This period, what is going to change if there's nothing that you change in your action, your behavior, in your thinking? Einstein said, you cannot solve a problem with the same ideas or thinking that created it. There's decisions to make, there's perceptions to change, patterns to break, clarity to gain. What to do with your doubts, fears, and worries, what to do with your leadership, what to do with those emotions that are suppressed, not to talk about or to run away from. So this is for you. If you feel spoken to, then let me know. Send a direct message on Instagram and write the words Destiny Man. Then I know you saw this video. We set up a short 20-minute call where you can ask questions. If you don't need that, then you can click the link below this video where you received this video. Perhaps it's a link that I share with you over LinkedIn, over WhatsApp, over Facebook, over Instagram. Then you can write there in the chat to me, because I'm looking for a group of men who are ready to go in community and step onto that journey. And I'm really curious to see which men are feeling that pull, that yearning, that urge to do something different than what society is expecting from them. And they feel that call that they can make that difference. If you really want to commit to who you are in essence, your unique, authentic, true self, then this is for you. I only got to know 4 years ago how to think. And I was leading construction sites worth millions once in my life and a corporate career. I was extremely ambitious. Now I still am very keen on building together with people, yet on another level. And I want to see you win. I want to see you being that example for yourself, so grounded, so clear, so strong. You can be that beacon, that light, that power who dares to be stand up, being visible, being clear, driven, thriving for you in the first place, for your family, wife, children, your mother, your sisters, your aunts, your friends, for the men in your life. You get to make a difference, and I want you to know that. And the world is needing examples. Now, if you're ready for this, then let me know. And if this is not for you, that is totally okay. Then please, I'm asking you to forward this link to the man of which you know he is looking for this information. Nothing happens uncoincidentally. Is that how you say that? There's always a reason behind it. When the student is ready, the teacher appears. You just need some more guidance and clarity. I want you to be self-reliant, and perhaps that other person is really looking for that guidance to strengthen himself. That power is inside of you, and I get to understand for men, it's really important to be that example that you feel that you needed when you were young. And you get to be that, you can be that. I stop talking for now. Thank you for forwarding, for commenting, for letting me know what it is that you want. Click the link below, setting up the investment so we get to start to work together. I'm happy to have you here, and I'm so excited to start this journey with this beautiful group that is forming right now. Talk to you very soon. Bye-bye.